birthday to Ate Linlin na. Happy birthday, Ate Linlin.
Happy birthday, Te. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
And God bless you always. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Lynn. More birthdays to come. Success in life. Good health. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Linlin. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. God bless and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi Lynn, happy birthday. May this day be a celebration of the beautiful person you are.
Time really flies. I can still remember our childhood days, then growing up with close bonds as cousins. And now you are already 40, but you still look young and vibrant. Our prayer for you is to have peace of mind and heart, good health, happiness, and an abundance of love from those around you. From our family, accept our warmest wishes and love on your birthday.
Happy birthday Linlin.
Happy birthday, Linlin.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ayan, at Ate Linlin. Sige, Kuya, ikaw mo.
Birthday, Ate Kuya Ayan, at Ate Linlin. Ayaw nga stay mo healthy forever. Fun sa family din. Walay sa disgrasya. God, good always.
Si Bibi na good. Yay! Papa, mag-trip na.
Then, happy birthday. Of the age of 40. Sana more birthday to come. And also, Ayan, happy birthday. Many birthday to come. And good health in your family. Sana magpanan ninyo ang inyong mga pangandol sa ang importante nga Pasko lang ako panglawas. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Unang Len, happy birthday, Len. Welcome to the world of 40s, 40. Ito nila, age begins at 40. So, diyan na dahil kuno 40. Kayo sa din, 40. Dada na manggawas mga sakit-sakit. But, so ba tayo? But, ang akong ika-istorya din is, happy birthday. I hope God will provide all what is in your heart and what is in your mind. I hope na God will always protect you sa iyong mga anak o binaya. Tagaan mo kanunay ko good health. By health is wealth. Marami na yan ako, bahala pa ako. Di kita dato, mas nagkay, nakapangunay sa maayong panglawas. O kaya ako makasubangkot ka sa pag-inatuwi o pagkatiman sa mga bata. I know kamuguan inayan, dami kayo kalimutan, o dami kayo kanyang active sa happy birthday. Oh, ayan. Happy birthday po. Dahil ay po nakakaroon pag ikaw sa paglawas, pag-protect, labi na sa inyong pagbiyahiya. I hope na ano yun, so responsible ang husband, ang family, so magandang pumawi ilang taon ko na sa inyo. So, namin sa inyo mag-protect sa inyong pamilya. So, oras ni, happy birthday sa inyo. We love you. We love you, boy. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Ako guitarist, pero grabe pa kay Clara, ako guitarist. Buwan pa nila Kanang practice.
Hola, senyora. Ay, te, ayan. Happy birthday niyong duha. Wish you all the best. Ug hinaot nga dagan pang mga birthdayhan nga mabot sa kinabuhi. Ug importante sa tanan nga maayong panglawas kanunay. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday. God bless to you and to all the family. Love you all. Ciao.
Hi, honey. Majong hapon. Mag-greet ako ni mong happy birthday, ha? Hinaot nga mayong paglawas ka ni honey. Unya, more birthdays to come. Unya, wish you na kaayo, honey. Love you. Bye.
Hi, best friend Binlin. Happy birthday. Hope nga happy ka sa imong birthday karon together with your family and your friends, your loved ones. I just wanna say na welcome to 40s. 40 na dito, no? Ingon sila, life begins at 40. Bitaw. So, enjoy your day. I hope nga happy ka kanunay. And stay beautiful, stay healthy. And I miss you. I miss your company. Sa una, bitaw, mga kalog na. So, mingaw dyan ko ato sa una na to nga mga banding. So, I just wanna say nga, padayon sa imuhang pagkabuutan, padayon sa imuhang mahadlokon sa Ginoo. So, I love you, best friend, and take care always, diha. Happy birthday!
Have a blessed birthday, Lynn. Wishing you lots of joy, laughters, and unforgettable moments as you celebrate your birthday today. Again, happy birthday. God bless.
Ready, sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Linlin ug Ayan. May God bless you always. Happy birthday, Lin ug Ayan.
Happy 41 birthday at Linlin o Kuya Ayan.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!